Some of you are rubbing body oil like food seasoning, mixing 10 different things together and hoping for a miracle. Today, I will be saving your skin and also your pocket. These are my top 5 best oil people keep asking and ordering. They are actually good working oils, and I'll tell you how to use them, who they are for, so that you stop wasting money and time and find the one that is suitable for your skin. Hi there, my name is Kemi. I do review skincare, sell skincare, and I help people make a smarter buying decision. So you stop buying products because the bottle is fancy. Today, we're breaking down 5 popular brightening, lightening, glowing oils. Not your everyday oil, they are not the same. Some are for dark spots, some are for glowing, some are for stubborn or even skin tone, while some are just for maintenance. Stay till the end because I will also show you the milk concentrate you can use if you want to boost any of this oil for a faster result. If you have ever bought oil because somebody said, oh, it works fast, and 3 weeks later, your only result is on your bed sheet, then this video is for you. Today we're going to be looking at 5 different oils: the Maradila whitening oil, the Juli Gold half-cast oil, Lily Arabian whitening oil, Sym White Celebrity Glow oil, the yellow one, and the Sym White Celebrity Glow oil, the brown one. And I said before, there's going to be a bonus whitening milk concentrate at the end of this video, so stay tuned. If you use your oil the right way, you will get good results. Always apply oil immediately after bathing, slightly on a damp skin, and use a moderate amount. Don't put too much, but be consistent. Some of you use one and start checking mirror to see whether, oh, I'm already lightening. Oil doesn't work that way. So let's now break into it one by one. I'm going to start with the Maradila whitening oil. Now, this one usually chosen by people who want brightening, glow, dark spot corrector, or somebody who wants a smoother looking skin. It is more of an all-rounder oil that does a lot of things. So this is for uneven skin tone, dull skin that needs glowing, mild dark spots, areas like elbows and knees that are a little bit dark. Now, when you use this, you are going to get a fresher looking skin. The skin will become more polished, more radiant over time. Now, think of it as a friend who may not be loud, but always put things together. That is this oil. Now, this is for anyone who is just starting skincare. If you are new to using oil, you can start from this. People who don't want overly aggressive products or damaging products or strong active. People wanting to glow. Plus gradual brightening. You don't want too much. Now, like I said, apply this after shower. This is good at night. You can also use it during the day. Remember to focus on darker area. Pair with a very good moisturizing lotion and you are good to go. Let me give you a real life scenario. You have an event in 2 weeks. Your leg looks so dull. Ashness is doing press conference on your body. You can get the Maradila oil. This will help you to look more maintained and glowing. Now, the second one is the Juli Gold half-cast oil. This is the Juli Gold half-cast oil. This one is for people who say, Kemi, I need visible change. This oil is often used for stronger lightening support, dark areas, and uneven, stubborn skin tone. This one is good for people who have dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark knees, dark inner thigh, as darker areas that are giving you problems that refuse to move. Go get this one. This will help to target stubborn areas and can also help to brighten areas that don't usually respond to softer products. Do you understand? So this is for experienced users, people who are used to skincare, knows how to use good products. People with dark area, dark stubborn skin, people wanting stronger results. Use a small amount. You don't need to overuse it. Use it on the damp skin as well. Focus on areas that you have problem with. Moisturize it very well properly. You can also use it with a lotion and get a good soap to go with it. I'll give you a small truth. Some people use strong oil recklessly and then blame the supplier or their vendors, not knowing that they're the one doing chemistry on their skin without supervision. So, if this breakdown is helping you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment which oil you have tried before. It will help many people to find these honest skincare reviews, and it will help my channel. Help my channel now. Now, a quick one. Today's house pick is Easy Locks by FB, my brand. If you like clean, sassy, easy to wear fashion for women who like looking expensive without stress, then this is for you. I'm going to drop a video for you to just check us out. So let's look at the third one, the Lily Arabian whitening oil. This one is actually very interesting because it mixes brightening with repair vibes. It contains ingredients like tocopherol, which is vitamin E, carrot seed oil, lactic acid. These are very good ingredients. So this is for people who suffer from dry skin, rough patches, stretch mark, sun damage, or uneven skin tone. So what this one does is it is going to help to whiten your skin, fade dark spots, work on your stretch mark, help with sunburn, dry skin, it will help to glow and moisturize all your dark areas. This is for people needing glow plus treatment. So if your skin looks dull or feels neglected, those wanting smoother texture, this is for you. Now, this is great to be used after baths, just like the others. Massage well into your skin, especially the problem area. Consistency will always win. I'll keep singing that. I'm going to share with you another scenario. You ignore your body for 6 months and now your skin looks like it is carrying emotional pain. Come and get this Lily White. This can help you to revive things. Now, the next one is the Sym White Celebrity Glow Foil, this yellow one. This one is more of a soft glow, maintenance, brightness, and for polished skin. So if you have dull skin, mild uneven skin tone, you need everyday glow like a soft glow maintenance, go for this. This will give you a cleaner, smoother, brighter finish rather than screaming, I am trying to bleach overnight. Cool, gentle, for people, classy people, this is for you. So this will be great for beginners, for people who likes compliment. Oh, I like your skin is looking nice. People who already have decent skin tone, but just want an extra tone. Use daily after bath. You can pair with a lotion. Make sure you exfoliate your skin. You can use day and night. Some people don't need many products. They just need to be consistent with the product that they already have. So if that is the kind of person that you are, then this yellow Sym White will fit right into your lane. So the fifth oil is the Sym White Celebrity Glow Oil. This one has very, very active ingredients such as alpha-arbutin and glutathione. This too will help with pigmentation, dark spots, uneven tone, and it will give you a radiant looking skin. Now, if you are suffering from dark spots, you need tone correction. You want your skin to look brighter. You want to glow, but you still want to target pigmentation. This one is more active than this one. Yeah? But this is better for people who want visible brightening glow. So people that want like a mild to moderate even skin tone, people who are stepping up from the basic oil, like your normal carrier oil, to a greater moisturizing oil. Yeah. This can be used morning and night. Apply first on the troubled area and then you can later apply it all over your body. If your skin concern is serious and you are using only soft glow products, then you are doing motivational skincare. Come and get this one. This one will transform your skin. So I know your next question will be, which one should I buy? Choose the Maradila Oil if you want balance and brightening and a glow. Then choose the Juli Gold Oil if you want stronger correction for dark, stubborn skin. Then that is for you. Choose the Lily Arabian if you want repair, softness, glow, and even skin tone. Now choose the yellow Sym White for maintenance and a soft glow. And or you can choose the brown Sym White if you want glow plus more effective lightening support. Now about the bonus, I'm going to introduce you to the K Whitening Hydrating Super Whitening Concentrate. Now let's talk about this milk. This is for people who want extra, people who want to boost these oils, who want a stronger, fast filling result. Now, you may want to add this to this oil to get a more faster effect. This contains glutathione and also other brightening ingredients. So you can mix it with the oil. It will add hydration. It will also add a more lightening effect. This is for people who need extra result. Also for people who understand skincare. Add a moderate quantity into the oil. Mix well. Please do a patch test first. Don't just pour the whole bottle into the oil like if you are making a stew. Please don't do that. This is for experienced skincare users who have knowledge of what they're doing, people who understand their skin and knows what their skin needs, those who want to have a customized body care. Don't buy or don't mix because of hype. Buy because you need that to solve a problem. Dark spot needs one thing. Dry skin needs another. Maintenance skin needs another. So strong whitening needs caution and moisture support. Some of you need exfoliation, consistency, and sunscreen more than buying any oil. Comment below your skin goal. Do you want glow? Do you want whitening? Do you want dark spot removal? Do you need something that cares for your knuckle? Or do you want maintenance? And I will tell you which lane you should go for. If you want to order any of these things, you can go straight to our website or send us a message on WhatsApp. Link is going to be in the description. Subscribe for more honest skincare reviews. If you want body care tips and product that actually makes sense and works. Stay tuned. Till next time, guys, stay blessed.